Hello, a new version of Nomad Sculpt is here, and now we can use texture paint. Okay, I go to the Nomad app, I switch to the app, and this is what happens. I delete the sphere and I add another sphere. I turn the wireframe on and validate it. The higher the mesh, the better the pictures are. Okay, I subdivided a few times. And now you have in the painting settings here on the down of the menu a texture. Current tool cannot use textures. Okay, we have to switch to the paint tool, and now we can go to the painting menu again, and here you see you can add I add Donald. You can press the plus button and go to the photos and use every picture you want. Okay, in this case I used Donald. And for example, the last checkbox is checked, global material, and you look for the color. Now it's blue and the picture is now blue. I turn the symmetry off and check it again. When I use the white image, then it's correct, the white background. You have to check the colors yourself, what happens. And the checkbox for the global material, you can also test it out. But every color you use, it's applied on the picture. White is the normal color. And you can also delete your images and or use others like this. It's a very, very nice feature. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, Stefan, for this very, very impressive app. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.